Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how much does hosting cost. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. The cost of the web hosting depends upon several factors, like it can be depending upon the type of the hosting that you choose, or the hosting service provider, or upon the features that they provide, or the period of the plan. So, these all factors would be affecting the cost of your hosting service. So, let us discuss about each of this in detail. Coming to the first factor, that is type of hosting. In the type of hosting, we have two types, that is shared web hosting and the virtual private server. And there are few more which I'll be discussing in the video. So here these are the two major types. For the shared web hosting, you'll be sharing with others the resources. It is budget friendly for beginners and for small websites. But when it comes to this virtual private server, this is ideal for professionals and larger projects. And comes to the next factor, that is the hosting service provider. Make sure to choose a provider that is trustworthy and also reliable, so that they will be providing you with the optimal plans. And then comes the next factor, that is features. So just look for the features that are required for your website. So just make sure like what are your requirements and all. And then the fourth factor is the period of your plan. So as the period increases, there are this service providers which will be giving you with more discounts, so you can just check them in the pricing section and all. So out of this all the four factors, so it is essential for you to determine what your website needs. So based upon that, you can just choose accordingly which all factors you need to focus on. First one is shared web hosting. So here the multiple websites will be sharing the single server, in which we can see that it's like multiple websites are sharing among the single pool of resources. So here this resources would include the storage, processing speed and bandwidth. So this could cost you around $1 to $15 per month. So when you're going for this option, make sure to consider additional features also, like emails, free domain, and any other additional features that your website require. So this is very ideal for beginners who want to start their blogs or portfolio, and it is budget friendly too. There are few drawbacks in this, like because of the shared nature, this can pose a performance and security risk. And also, this cannot be suitable for the websites that require extensive resources. And also, because of this sharing nature, there is no possibility or difficulty in extending this to a large scale website. And the next comes this virtual private server, which is VPS. So here one user's resources would not affect the other user resource. So this is giving you the dedicated hosting space, and this costs you around 20 to $100 depending upon your SSD storage, RAM and CPU. So this is not definitely a good beginner friendly one. Next up is the cloud web hosting. So this uses this network of private servers for high uptime and scalability. So this type is more resilient to the hardware problems, because it can switch the servers. And also this could cost you around 10 to $200 per month depending upon the features it provides, like RAM, storage and all again. And then based upon this, like you would be needing to pay. And then there are few drawbacks with this, that like there can be security issues when it is not configured properly. Next comes the dedicated server hosting, where you will be giving this physical server, and here there will be control over all the server environment, and this will be the full control, and this is the most expensive one. So this would be costing you around 80 to $500 per month, depending upon the features. So that like this is very ideal for high traffic website which requires high uptime and also requires fast speed. And then choose for the such plan where you will be getting this unlimited emails and also this unlimited storage ones. So there are two types in this. One is managed and another is unmanaged. So in the managed, you will be getting this professional support for your dedicated server hosting. But in the case of unmanaged, you need to have this advanced technical skills for this. And also look for the hosting service provider which won't charge you much for this data transfers, and it would just need to charge you a flat fee for the data transfers, so that it will be more cost effective for you. Last one is WordPress. So this will be enhancing your performance and the security of the website. So the features are like one click installers and all the security tools. So this hosting provides you this WordPress dedicated support, and you hear this price is a bit expensive than the shared one. So this would be costing you around 10 to $200, so which will be having this automatic updates and dedicated support. The only drawback is that it is not for the users who wish to build their websites on other CMS platforms. So by just concluding things, the shared are the affordable ones. The shared web hosting are the affordable, and they are ideal for beginners and small to medium websites. And when it comes to this VPS and the dedicated servers and also the cloud ones, these are a bit expensive. So when you're just choosing such web hosting providers, you can also check for the factors like SSL certificate and marketing tools that are available for your website. So depending upon your requirement of your website, you can just check for additional features also. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.